Alright, so here we have a new example with a different artist. Her name is Bastardilla, and she gave us like a really good idea about what a digital text would be for graffiti. Okay, so well, this is her blog. It is bastardilla.org, and in here basically we will find all the works she has done around the world in different countries like Bolivia, Belgium, Argentina, and of course Colombia, right? So, well, this is the main screen. Immediately, it will take us to a menu which is organized by pictures of course, different works of art she has done around the world. Alright? So now what happened? What I really like about this artist is that she shows us like how three main elements can converge in a perfect way. For example, this one, Alto, it was in Bolivia. Alright? So here we have the three elements. First of all, we have, well, sometimes she has like a short video about the complete experience. Now, here we have pictures, like artistic pictures about the community or the context where she was doing the work. In this case, we have Bolivian women getting done their hair. Okay, so here we have pictures, not only about the people, also the context, the place, the city, and everything. Of course, the graffiti, like the final result, and text. Okay, literature, it can be poetry or just prose. Sometimes it's is her favorite writers. Some other times, like in this case, it's just some text from the local people. Okay, now look at what it says. Este editorial se lo dedico a mi mamá, quien me enseñó tantas cosas de la vida y lo sigue haciendo hasta ahora. Seguro muchos recordarán mucho junto conmigo lo que en algún momento aprendieron de sus mamás para ser mejores personas. ¿Sabían que el cepillado del cabello y el trenzado es todo un ritual para las mujeres de pollera? Bueno, es un ritual para mi madre y para muchas otras mujeres, pero también hay otros significados. This is just like a short part of the whole text. Basically, in this case, so, well, I hope you as the attendants for this video can understand how these three elements, text, pictures, and the graffiti, is the way as the artist, in this case, understands the context. So basically, it's like the value she gives to the culture through a key concept. In this case, for me, it will be like the reason why Bolivian women gets done their hair in this way. So look, for example, here we have llamas and Bolivian women getting done their hair. Alright,